In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create relationships in Microsoft Access. Before we dive in, let's make sure we're on the same page about what a relationship is. In Access, a relationship connects two tables through a common field, often something like an ID. For example, you might have a customers table where customer ID is the primary key, meaning each value is unique for each customer. Then you have an orders table that also includes a customer ID, but there it acts as a foreign key, pointing back to the matching record in the customer's table. By linking those fields, Access can combine related data and help maintain consistency across your database. Now let's create the relationship. First, close any open tables. Access won't let you build or modify relationships while tables are open, so make sure they're all closed to avoid errors or locked fields. Next, open the Relationships window. Go to the Database Tools tab on the ribbon and select Relationships. This is the central place where you define how your tables connect. If the window looks empty, you'll need to add the tables you want to relate. Click Show Table. In the dialog that appears, select the tables you need, like customers and orders, click Add for each one, and then click Close. You should now see small table windows showing their fields. To create the link, click and drag the primary key field from the first table, such as Customer ID in Customers, and drop it onto the matching field in the second table, Customer ID in Orders. Make sure the fields you're connecting have compatible data types and represent the same kind of data. Using consistent names helps you avoid mistakes here. A dialog box will pop up with relationship options. Check Enforce Referential Integrity. This ensures you can't create orphaned records, like an order that points to a customer who doesn't exist. You'll also see two optional settings: Cascade Update and Cascade Delete. Cascade Update automatically updates related foreign keys if you ever change a primary key value. Cascade Delete removes related child records when a parent record is deleted. These are powerful options, especially Cascade Delete, so enable them only if that behavior matches your business rules and you're comfortable with the impact. When you're ready, click Create. You'll see a line connecting the two tables. A 1 near the primary key side and an infinity symbol near the foreign key side indicate a one-to-many relationship, which is exactly what you'd expect for customers and their orders. And that's it. You've defined a clean relationship that keeps your data accurate and your queries and reports much easier to build.